Ooh. Oh, oh well, that was easier than I expected. Those bushes came out very easily, and I've ordered a new set of bushes and also a new seal to go in the middle of this because it was actually flush with the bore. There was no lip on it whatsoever. Well, I've just soaked the sprocket in hot water for a good while, and this seal is brittle as anything, as you can see. As I try and get it out, it's chipping away. So just have to resort to other measures. Yeah, it's coming. Okay, it's coming. There it goes, that's it. Well, getting that seal out was definitely a lot more challenging than I expected. I thought it would just push out or tap out, but it really held on, and the, obviously the metal sides caused that to lock into place. The rubber on the inside, it was completely it had it. It was brittle as anything. It wasn't perished or anything, but there was no flexibility, and I could tell there wasn't even a lip on it on the inside, so I don't know how much of a good seal that would have been. So as you saw, just pressed or pushed these bushes out with a drift, and I've ordered new bushes and a new seal. They should hopefully be coming soon, and then we'll get those pressed back in. That's the seal there. And as you can see, there's a shoulder that presses up against when it's back in the sprocket. Yay, the new bushes and seal have arrived. So they look great, don't they? So here we are. Here's one of the bushes, and just significantly nicer. The oilway pattern slightly different on this one as well. You can see before and after. This actually, the new one feels lighter than the old one. The lip on the outside is narrower, and the diameter's not as big, I should say, but it seems like it's thicker, more substantial. And then the seal, where it had the metal housing or casing before, it's rubber now. So we'll put the bushes and the seal in the freezer for a little while, and we'll dip the sprocket in hot water for a little while, and then we'll reassemble it. works in. It's a bit concerning. Well, as you just saw, I think I have a bit of a problem with this clutch sprocket. This is the brand new bush, and it literally just drops in. So that's much too slack. And in fact, the original bush is much better. That's more of an interference fit. But what I did notice is that it's been punched around the edges on the face, sorry, I should say. I don't know if you can make those out, but it's been punched in order to fit tighter in the sprocket, which suggests that the sprocket itself is pretty worn, and it is. The teeth are pretty sharp, and at some point I'll probably need to replace this sprocket. But for now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just clean this up with some acetone, just clean that up, and then put some of this Permabond retaining compound on the original bush, and then pop that one back in.